Hello children. In last video I explained the polynomial chapter 2. There I explained the types of polynomial and zeros of polynomial. Now here I am going to explain the relation between zeros and coefficient. Now if alpha and beta are the zeros of polynomial ax square plus bx plus c, a quadratic polynomial, so a is not equal to 0. A is not equal to 0 means any coefficient first term must not be 0. Okay. Now sum of zeros means alpha plus beta is equal minus b upon a. Minus b upon a means coefficient of x upon coefficient of x square. Now product of 0 is alpha beta is equal c upon a. That is coefficient constant term and coefficient of x square. This is relation. So you have to learn these two formula. Sum of 0 alpha plus beta equal minus b upon a and alpha beta is equal c upon a, because whole exercise is basis on these two formula, and one relation is quadratic polynomial whose zeros alpha beta has given. So polynomial x is equal to x square minus alpha plus beta x plus alpha beta, means minus sign you have to remember here. Okay, x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta. Now we will go through the exercise 2.2. NCERT class 10 polynomial 2.2. First question is find the zeros of the quadratic polynomials and verify the relationship between the zeros and the coefficient. Now x square minus 2x minus 8 is a now middle term. By splitting the middle term, already you know the middle term factors. So it is middle term is minus 2. We have to factorize the last term 8. It is 4 to the 8. We have to take this factor. So 4 minus 2 into x. So it is x square minus 4x, and it is minus minus plus 2x minus 8. So x is common, x minus 4 plus x into x minus 4. You take common 2 here and take common x here. Now it is x minus 4, x minus 4, it is common. So take as a common factor. Now x plus 2. Now factor of x is equal to 0. Take. So x minus 4 and x plus 2 is equal to 0. If product of two number is 0, one must be 0. So let x minus 2 equal to 0, so x is equal to 4, and if we take x plus 2 equal to 0, x equal to minus 2. So alpha is equal to 4 and beta is equal to minus 2. These two 4 and minus 2 are the zeros of this polynomial. Now next part, the quadratic equation x square minus 2x minus 8. This one you to relate with the quadratic equation standard form ax square plus bx plus c. Now check the coefficient. A is equal to 1, b is equal minus 2, c is equal minus 8. This is written. Now relation sum of zeros alpha plus beta. Alpha is 4, beta is minus 2, it is minus 2. Now alpha beta, its right hand side alpha plus beta equal minus b upon a, minus b minus or minus 2 upon 1. It is b and it is a. So it is also 2. So left hand side is equal to right hand side. Now product of zeros alpha beta is equal c upon a. 4 alpha and beta is minus 2, product minus 8, and left hand side c upon a, minus 8 upon 1 is equal to minus a, left hand side equal right hand side. Next question again same, factorize 4a square minus 4s plus 1. By factorization you see here two factors, 2as minus 1 and 2s minus 1. So it is, now it's compare it to alpha is equal 1 upon 2 from here and beta is equal 1 upon 2, as you have done question number 1. Now next part, coefficient are a, b, c. A is equal 4, B equal minus 4 and C equal to 1, and alpha is half 1 upon 2 and beta equal 1 upon 2. Now relation alpha plus beta, half plus half is equal 1, left hand side. Right hand side, minus b upon a minus b is 4, minus of minus 4 upon 4. So it is 1. So left hand side equal right hand side. Now it is product of zeros. Alpha beta is equal c upon a. Half into half, it is 1 upon 4. And c upon a, c is 1 or a 4. So 1 upon 4. So it is also left hand side equal right hand side. Now next question is 6x square minus 3 minus 7x. We have to change it in standard form of the polynomial. In standard form, in ascending order you have to write it is 6x square minus 7x minus 3. Now 6x square minus, it is 6 3s are 18. Check it. 6 3s are 18. So 18, its factor as 6 3s are 9 2s are. Now it is 9 minus 2. It is 7. Okay. So factorize the middle term. 7 is 9 minus 2. So minus it is the minus plus minus. So minus 9x plus 2x minus 3. Take common 3x. 2x minus 3. From here 1 is common. 2x minus 3. 2x minus 3 is a common factor. 3x plus 1. Now factor of x is equal to x minus 1. 3x minus 1 is equal to 0. If 2x minus 3 is equal to 0, so one term is 0. So it is x is equal 3 upon 2, and another term it is, if you take it 0, so x is equal 1 upon 3. So alpha is equal 3 upon 2 and beta is equal minus 1 upon 3. Now next is now relation. Relation alpha plus beta equal minus b upon a. So it is alpha beta, it is minus b upon a. This one, these two are same. Now this alpha beta is equal to c upon a. So it is 3 upon 2 into minus 1 upon 3. It is minus 1 upon 2 and this. Same relation. Next question also. See, 4u square plus 8u. Simple it is. You take as a common factor 4u, u plus 2. Now, it is this equal to 0. So, 4 is u equal to 0, u equal to 0, alpha equals 0. If 4u plus 2 is equal to 0, then u will be minus 2. So, alpha 0 and beta minus 2. Same relation, alpha plus beta equal minus b upon a, and this is, you can do it. Check it, a, b, c, and alpha beta equals c upon a, alpha beta, and it is 0, and same it is 0 upon 4, 0. Next question, t square minus 15. So it is t square minus 15. If we take t square is equal to plus 15. So t is equal to plus minus root 15. So alpha, if alpha is equal plus root 15, beta minus root 15. And a, b, c are 1, 0 and minus 15. You compare it, 1, it is 0 and it is minus 15. Now same, alpha plus beta is equal minus b upon a. This relation will come, left hand side 0, right hand side 0, and alpha beta is equal c upon a. Here also root 15 into minus root 15 is minus 15, and it is minus 15 upon 1 is minus 15. Done it? Now next question. 3x square minus 3x square minus x minus 4. 3x square minus, it is factorized, 3 4s are 12. So 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. So it is, you have to take minus 4x because it is minus and greater number should be minus. Minus 4x plus 3x. and it is minus 4. Now common here x, 3x minus 4. From these two take common as 1, 3x minus 4. Now 3x minus 4 and it is x plus 1. Okay. Now comparing these two relations. Alpha is equal to, no sorry, a is equal to 3, b is equal to minus 1 and c is equal to minus 4. A, B, C. And from here alpha beta you can take it, this is equal to 0. So alpha is equal to 4 upon 3. If this equal to 0, then beta is equal to minus 1. Now again relation alpha plus beta is equal minus b upon a. So this calculate, it is minus 1 upon 3 and this one also 1 upon 3. Same, alpha beta is equal to c upon a. Here also it is minus 4 upon 3 and this side also minus 4 upon 3. Find the quadratic polynomial each with the given numbers as the sum and product of its zeros respectively. Sum 1 upon 4 means alpha plus beta is equal 1 upon 4. Product is alpha beta because here given sum and product. Product means alpha beta is equal minus 1. Simple polynomial formula we know. Polynomial is x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta. So instead of alpha plus beta you substitute its value. It is 1 upon 4. So x square minus 1 upon 4x plus alpha beta's value is minus 1. Now 4x square, if you multiply the all three terms by 4, it should be 4x square minus x minus 4. It is the quadratic formula. Next, sum is root 2 and product is 1 upon 3. Product is 1 upon 3. Now solution, sum alpha plus beta is equal to root 3 and product alpha beta is 1 upon 3. Same, px is equal to x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta. Now substitute the value x square minus root 2x plus 1 upon 3. Multiply the three terms by 3. 3x square minus 3 root 2x plus 1. Next, sum of 0 is 0 and product of 0 is root 5. Now quadratic formula again, x square minus alpha plus beta x plus alpha beta. X square plus 0 into x plus root 5. If you substitute the value, x square plus root 5. Next, sum is 1 and product is also 1. So alpha plus beta is equal 1 and alpha beta is equal 1. Same, x square minus alpha plus beta x is equal plus alpha beta. So x square minus 1x plus 1. It is x square minus x plus 1. It is the quadratic equation. Next question is alpha plus beta is minus 1 upon 4 and alpha beta is equal 1 upon 4. Now again same, x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta. Again substitute the value, x square minus 1 upon 4 into x plus alpha beta is 1 upon 4. Again multiply by 4 all three terms. It is 4x square minus plus x and it is plus 1. This is the quadratic equation. Next, given sum of zeros is alpha beta is equal to 4 and product is 1. So quadratic formula is x square minus 4x plus 1. Next question. Now the exercise explained whole. Now assignment I have given of 2.1 and 2.2 together I have given here. Now all the question you see, slowly I am showing you the page. Okay, there are 10 questions. Answer also given. You will solve all the questions.